All right, so today I think we're actually gonna try to get this motor to pop. Now let's see if this thing primes. I hear it sucking in. Well, I mean, I could add more.
Oh, here she comes.
Is it going? I mean, it might need more gas in this can. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh. Okay, whatever. Put it back in the garage, Andrew. All right. Now it's got, all right, now it's sucking more gas out. It's filling the bowl. Well, we gotta wait till we get pressure, because it's gonna fill the bowl and then it's gonna fill the carbs. And they're either gonna fill or they're gonna overflow. I ain't seeing them overflowing. You gotta wait till you get this primer bulb solid. Let's try it. All right.
No leaks. Yeah. Okay.
So we'll try that at idle, I guess. Maybe you'll like hold.
Here.
I'll put a rag there. No, I can just do that. There we go. Ready? Yep. God. Ready? Ooh. Oh, God. No. Let's break the cord for the guy that's gonna buy it. Should we check spark? Well, put a little ether in them, or at least clean, see what the tips look like, I guess. Good spark, yeah, we might as well. So, well, do you want me to pull it over? You wanna watch with these? Watch with these two. See if these even get any spark. You ready? Can't see.
You see what the damn motor is around. Try to go.
Well, don't get shocked. Ready? I'll go easy. Nothing.
Here, I'll pull it. You watch.
I'm not holding the fucking thing. Hold on. Put them down in the light. All right, try it. Oh, here. Let me hold this down. No spark. They ain't sparking. Well, it's probably that all the points and everything under here corroded. Distributor's probably got corrosion in it, which makes me feel all the more better of getting this motherfucker gone, right? It's, yeah. I'm telling you, when you see corrosion like this that fell out of this thing, you're gonna have all that, like when I did my Mark 55 years ago that had sat in a boathouse, like all the distributor had corrosion on all the contacts, the points, and that's a whole nother thing, which if we had subscribers would be well worth it. You know, again, nobody's watching, so.
Is this where our channel takes a turn from, you know, lighthearted, self-deprecating humor to bitterness?
Pretty much.
And anger?
There's a lot of channels that do that. Yeah, we'll put it back together and
well,
call it a day. Because we're not getting any views, we're at the same time basically shifting focus, as we alluded to in that video, on moving things, on kind of clearing the stuff that we don't need. And in what do you call it, clearing mode?
Well, to be clear, we don't need any of this.
Well, we don't need any of this. It's a very cool boat. We enjoyed having it. Well, I guess we haven't really enjoyed it much other than looking at it under your carport. So, you know, we're tending to keep the stuff around that's a little bit more enjoyable when we want to use it.
So yeah, well, I mean, there's a few other reasons that we decided to get this one gone. Feathercraft recently sold on the auction site that we use, Bring a Trailer, for a silly amount of money.
The Feathercraft enthusiast groups, that auction was very much noticed what that boat sold for. There were a lot of people talking about it.
So what generally happens with that is that every goofball and their brother starts listing their Feathercrafts on Bring a Trailer and fully saturates the market, depressing the resale value. And, you know, so, I mean, at the end of the day, we're in this one for pretty cheap, so we're not making any money here, guys. But we'd like to get our money back on something for a change. So we're trying to get this thing out the door.
You know, I think a lot of the older generation too that has these, don't need the money as much. Maybe you'll see some people our age try to unload them. I think what you're gonna find is a lot of people that see them for sale try to gobble them up, think they're gonna fix them and turn a quick buck, and they'll find out real quick what it takes.
The side effect that really irritates me is that what you see is all the prices on Facebook start shooting up.
They come up to match.
You know, because one sold on Bring a Trailer for however much.
Yep.
Everyone on Facebook thinks they can just take 4 photos and no running videos, no walk around videos, no on the water videos, and they think that that's, you know, that's what it's going to sell for. And I hate you people.
You know, a real option with this, honestly, is we could probably turn around and relist this on Facebook as is and make a quick buck.
At the end of the day, we're probably not going to be able to buy very many more of these because of Bring a Trailer. Because one sold on Bring a Trailer for a stupid amount of money. This is probably the last affordable Feathercraft we're going to see for a long time.
But I'm fine with that. I've got my Vagabond. I've got nowhere to put it.
Boats.
I've got nowhere to put my Vagabond.
There's no reason to own a Feathercraft.
It's a stage in my life that
they're cool looking,
experienced.
And that's it. There's nothing practical about these boats. You don't want a Feathercraft. You don't want one. They're terrible.
We
are going to list this after we make this video.
Well, in those videos we say that they're great boats and they ride well. This is a practical model. We can spin it. We can spin it right. I hate polishing these boats. It's just, it sucks. It freaking sucks. It's miserable. It's a dirty job, and it just sucks.
It turns out, no one needs a Feathercraft. You don't need one. They're stupid.
So we done? I think we got all that. We done rambling?
I hope we're done.
Yeah. Good. It's gonna rain. So what are we doing? We're already putting this thing for sale before we've done anything with it?
Oh yeah. Update, guys. This thing's for sale.
It's for sale? Yeah.
We decided over lunch that we should probably just sell this thing if we can, as is. If we can get somebody to come get this without actually having to do all this work.
So I guess we're gonna put it for a price that we'll be happy with if we did get rid of it. Maybe pair the old pair the old motor with it. And I don't know, see if we get any takers.
Yeah.
I think is the logic here.
I mean, because if we list it on BAT, maybe we get 10K for it.
Yeah.
After rebuilding the whole thing, dealing with a BAT auction.
Yeah.
Like manning the comment section, doing running and riding and walk around videos, all the editing that goes into those. Or we could snap 10 photos and
not to mention the shit ton of work that we know is going to go into this thing, but that obviously the Facebook Marketplace people probably don't. If someone thinks they're going to, you know,
so if I can make $7 grand and not have to do all this work, I like that better.
So yeah, guys, this is for sale. If anybody sees this in the first video, what are we thinking, Andrew? Like 7 grand with a motor?
Yeah, we'll throw in a motor for that.
We'll throw in a motor and control. 7 grand. You've got yourself a really nice Feathercraft rocket single cockpit, you know, build project.
I think that's it.
Yeah. So yeah, it's for sale. Contact us if you actually want this. No joke. Contact us. We'll sell it.
Subscribe first.
Like and subscribe, and then contact us.
God.
Tell all your friends. There it goes.